bow. Girl. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre, who got aespa Lemonade MV dropped last night. I heard the what is it called, highlight medley. There's a few songs that sound like hella bangers in this, especially Lemonade. Now with the visual of Lemonade, I already know I'm probably gonna fall in love with this, because you know that's how K-pop works sometimes with the music, the music video sells the music, and the music it like coexists. But I do want to do like maybe our first listen to see how I feel about like the song in general by itself. But without further ado, aespa Lemonade MV, let's get it, let's go. Captain's on, yeah, let's begin. Oh, it sound like, why did I sound like they sampled sorry, off the bat, pause. They look beautiful. I already saw a little clip. I saw a little right here. Bow. Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Every one of you is beautiful. But it sounded like they sampled taser guns or tasers. Oh, is that lime or lemonade?
Step on the brakes, I take my drama straight. I'll make you lemonade. Cup up, she walk my way. Don't you on my stage, I take my karma straight.
I'll make it lemonade.
Hold up, no, I can't control my mind.
Okay. Oh, they went twice.
No, I can't control my mind.
Oh, like a glitch, a repeat, a loop. Oh. Oh, she's spilling that lemonade. Let me drink that. Had my mouth open and everything. Ooh. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, she's slaying right here. Dirty dancing. Talk that, talk that. I'll take my drama straight. I'll take that lemonade. I'll make that lemonade. I mean, oh, who's she crawling to? That lamp? Is that an IKEA lamp? Got no ETA. I mean, that's nice. Ooh. Hey. Wait. Their outfits be slaying. Oh, you got some spilled lemonade right there. Oh, that wasn't even that was a metal lemon.
Hey, oh my god, stop.
Wait, say that again.
Wait, oh my god, stop.
Hey. Freaky. Mi amor. Waiting for it.
Don't step on the brakes. I take my drama straight.
I'll make it lemonade. What I think he's gonna, I make my lemonade. That'd be weird. I'll make it lemonade. No way, no way, I got no ETA. I love that. Is that a huge lemon? Is that a black lemon? What? I thought lemons are yellow. Unless that's a lime? Oh, that leg. What that leg do? I didn't know. And bow. Girl. Ooh. Oh, dancers. I'll make it. I need more lemonade. My bad, my bad. I need more. Ooh. I'll make it lemonade. Hey, hey, hey. I'll make it lemonade. I ain't got no ATA. Oh, it literally turns to that color. I see. I'll make it lemonade. Did he get burnt? What is that?
Wait, Wait, hold up, stop.
Why does this top reminds me of like what they put in those marbles. Anyways.
Wait, hold up, stop.
Wait, hold up, stop. Lemonade by aespa. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Lemonade, and will you make it lemonade? And do you got an ETA? And like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.